another staycation. As usual, I'm going to give you a standard room tour. Today I'll make it as fast as possible because I'm very hungry. So here we have the door with a do not disturb sign that I just dropped. Then as usual we have the card insert for power. This controls the power as usual. We have the AC controls over here, light switches, a mirror over here which I really love the design, and it's so conveniently placed next to the door for you to see yourself before you leave. On my left we have the wardrobe with a safe, some cupboards, some shoes, robes, an iron, an extra pillow, hangers if you want to hang your clothes. Then we have here these two doors leading to a separate shower with a really nice shower head and a water closet. So this is how big they are. Just for you to get a grip with me inside. So we have the sink over here, which has some body lotion, bath gel, conditioner, and shampoo. And my noisy baby in the background. They have a shower cup and a vanity kit and a bar soap. Some towels, some glasses, this tissue thingy. This, which I find to be very cool, is the thing that controls the volume in the room. So let me just turn it to here.
Then provides that reliable water, clean water, in the heart of their community.
So cool. We have this mirror. I always wonder what these mirrors are for. Are they for like men when they're shaving or what? What are they for?
I don't know. I thought it's for makeup as well.
I have never used these mirrors. Anyway.
Same. It's too big.
Random. So we have this open plan bathtub. It's a really nice big size bathtub, which I love. There's a shower extension over here. Give you some towels. So we have this coffee area with espresso maker, I think. A nice kettle, an ice holder, some glasses, some wine glasses. Is this coffee? Ooh, I have to find out what this is. And then over here around the corner we have this space here that has the fridge, which we're going to get them to unlock, and two drawers. This is where the coffee and sugar is, some cups. Wow, so cool.
I want to see the fridge.
I'll show you the fridge, baby. Let me finish, okay? Let's play the donut game. And then over here we have the room.
And the baby.
And the baby in the bathtub. So here we have a TV with some HDMI ports and USB and a Bluetooth port even. Wow, that's nice. And I think you can also put your earphones to listen to what's playing on the TV. We have the bed over here with some side lamps. And
The baby teddy.
a baby teddy on the bed, which let's take it up to show.
I want the baby teddy.
Then we have a workstation over here. So this is a desk where you can place your laptop or charge your camera the way we've done. You come here in the morning, reply to your emails, then go back to sleep or take a bath, whatever. And a sitting area where you get to enjoy the lovely views of Upperhill. Wow.
Wow.
So beautiful. Is that Nini? No, that's the one. That's the UAP building. Which one is that one? I don't remember the name of that one. So that's UAP. That's Times Tower. I'm imagining wrong things. That's Times Tower. We're seeing Times Tower from here. Wow. And the road down there. Awesome. Now we're going to go for lunch. We're going to be having lunch at Chop House. We're going to experience the culinary experience at Radisson Blu Upperhill, so I'm pretty excited. See y'all!